everybody, this is Jacob Nolly from the Graphite Lab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the customer associated with a job inside of ServiceTitan. One of the major reasons you might want to do this is because perhaps the customer who's going to be paying for a certain work at this location isn't usually the bill-to customer for a location. Perhaps you have a property management company that is going to be paying for the service and you want to keep the customer as the customer associated with that who's actually living there, so that you could bill. Typically you might bill that customer directly, but in this situation the property management company is going to pay for the job. So the way that you do that is you would actually navigate to the job. So I've got a job right here, and what you'll do is you'll go to the job page. So once you're on the job page, what you're going to do is go up to this edit job function, and you're going to go down to the customer. And all you're going to do is just search the customer that you want to change. So like, let's say it's Steve Paul Test, and then click save. And it's as simple as that to change the customer associated with the job. And this doesn't mean that this customer is associated with this service location. It just means this customer is who's going to be paying for that bill. And yeah, so it's as simple as that.